Are you looking for a retirement lot that is below market value only here in the heart of Paseo Nuvali, Santa Rosa City, Laguna? Well, pupuntahan natin tong prime lot na below market value only in Solen Residences at gusto kong mapakita sa inyo ang starting point dahil ang lapit niya dito sa The Medical City, South Luzon, dito sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, and sa schools like University of Santo Tomas, De La Salle University, Laguna, and of course, sa South Luzon Expressway. If you want to go to Manila to airport at papauwi, this is in the middle of everything. So watch out, this is Jaira, your property geek, at samahan niyo ko sa video na to. Punta na tayo dun sa Solen Residences. Actually, Solen Residences is one of my top selling projects kasi it's a high-end subdivision, semi-underground yung electrical wirings and utilities, so hindi talaga kayo makakakita ng napakaraming overhead wirings or yung uso dito sa Pilipinas na spaghetti wires. And mahalaga yon, no, kasi maaliwalas, no, kapag walang masyadong wirings na nakikita sa community. So dinadaanan natin ngayon yung Vivere Hotel. Malapit po kayo sa Vivere Hotel, dito sa Paseo Premier Hotel, and then dito tayo pasok kay The Medical City, South Luzon, para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung neighborhood papunta kay Solen Residences. So nanggaling dito nga tayo ngayon kay Paseo, pero madami po kasing ginagawa dito na daan. So from Solen, if hindi nyo iti-take yung route na to, if hindi kayo pupunta dito sa Paseo at pupunta kayo ng Manila, mag-Eton City exit kayo going to South Luzon Expressway. So malapit lang talaga siya sa lahat. So hindi po natin to ikakat yung video para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung beauty and at the same time mas ma-appreciate nyo yung neighborhood papunta kay Solen Residences. So nagda-drive tayo ngayon, and at the same time, as you would observe, kung may vlog akong napanood nyo about Nuvali, ito naman kay Greenfield City, no? But still, same area here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, parehas lang talaga yung ginagawa nila. Mag-green, mapuno, so it's as if iisang developer lang yung nagde-develop ng area na to. Yun naman ang maganda, no? And nakikita nyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa Greenfield Business District. Katulad ni Nuvali, nasa unahan yung mga commercial development nila that is accessible by public, para at least yung mga residential community nila is meron pa ring exclusivity at hindi pa rin ganun ka-accessible by public. So magle-left tayo. Actually, itong area na to, still Greenfield City, no? Business District. Technically sold out na po ito, at the same time, hinihintay na lang na magtayo ng mga buildings kung sino man yung mga corporations or mga business owners na nakabili na pwede nilang gawing leasing office spaces, or pwede sila magtayo ng hotel or schools dito sa area. And hindi po kayo mag-wonder if flood prone dito dahil mataas po ang elevation ng area natin dito sa Santa Rosa. Kaya din na-enjoy natin yung medyo mahangin at cool breeze, lalo na kapag bare months. So, papunta tayo dito, and nakikita nyo on our right, this is Trava, the flagship development of Greenfield Development Corporation. So para siyang Solen Residences lang din, pero mas pinalaki yung mga lot cut, at ito fully underground na yung utilities or electrical wirings niya. So medyo binabagalan ko po para mas ma-feel nyo po, no, yung environment. And ang nagugustuhan ko dito sa area ni Santa Rosa, they keep on developing and road widening, and they keep on adding, no, different routes. Kasi yun naman yung ayaw natin, no, magkakaroon ng bottleneck when it comes to traffic flow, lalo na kapag parang BGC na ito, no? Marami na talagang nakadwell sa area. Malapit na tayo sa Solen Residences. Actually, itong nasa right side natin, that is Pramana. That is the first ever lot project here in Laguna or Greenfield City Santa Rosa, Laguna ng developer. So alam ko maraming naghahanap sa atin ng retirement lot at yung ino-offer natin na retirement lot na ito, bukod sa below market value at nakastretch pa rin yung payment term, hindi po talaga ako magsisisi that we're offering this kasi perfect talaga for retirement home yung project. And at the same time, not just perfect siya for retirement home, of course when we retire, ayaw din natin na malayo tayo sa lahat. So ito, very good din siya dahil 5 minutes away, nasa hospital ka na. Actually nga, 3 minutes, nandun ka na eh. No? Kung hindi natin binabagalan yung pagdadrive, and then malapit tayo sa commercial area, and at the same time, if wala po kayong car, no? Greenfield City is offering free shuttle routes by time lang, or meron lang certain time, no? Kung saan, kunwari gusto nyo mag-grocery, pero you don't feel like driving, so pwedeng yung shuttle, no, ni Solen Residences yung gamitin nyo. So nag-U-turn lang tayo and then magta-turn right na tayo. Ayan, nakita nyo, turn right, Solen Residences. So ang strategy nila dito, hindi nila ginawa na yung gate is dikit na dikit doon sa highway para at least kahit yung mga nakabili sa perimeter wall or yung near highway, wala silang maririnig na cars kasi ito yung entrada or yung entrance, no, ni Solen Residences. Still greenery, mapuno. Ayan. And then eto na agad yung gate. So RFID yung system, yung gate, kaya okay din siya. So it's November, malapit na ng November, no? Parang advance sila Gion, no? Gion is my videographer para sa nila, Halloween special. So paalam lang po ako. Nakalampas na tayo ng gate. Ito po yung pinaka-entrance gate ng Solen Residences. Bakit ko pinapakita sa inyo? Kasi magsisimula tayo dun sa clubhouse and then walking distance lang talaga yung lote na available ngayon na below market value. So we're here in front of the clubhouse at pupuntahan natin yung available lot dito sa Solen Residences. So nandito tayo ngayon para makita nyo yung close proximity niya sa clubhouse. So again, ito yung clubhouse and then iikot ako dito para mas makita nyo. Clubhouse and then nandito lang yung gate. So imagine guys, no, kung gaano niya kalapit sa lahat. Nakikita nyo as we go and approach the available lot na below market value, this is a 5-lane. Located siya sa main road. So imagine guys, kuha nyo na malapit sa gate, malapit sa clubhouse, main road, and tapat na tapat nyo is yung pinaka-gym area. And at the same time, ang maganda pa dito is, ang katabi nyo is an alley, no, or a view corridor. So technically, this is an end lot. So, ito siya. So I'm just comparing, no, dito sa lot natin kung ito siya. Yes, this is it. So Block 26 Lot 9, from this plate hanggang dito po sa lamp post na ito. So ganito kahaba yung frontage nyo, again main road, at the same time meron tayong nakikita dito na under construction na magiging future na neighbor ninyo para makita nyo kung ano yung paano siya tinatayo. Dahil ito is Modern Asian po yung theme nila, bawal po ang gate parang sa mga US or Canada na community, but don't worry, this is a very exclusive subdivision, so don't worry about the security. And this is an end lot, so wala ka ng kapitbahay sa gilid dahil this is already a view corridor or their alley. So anong size ng lote na ito? This is a 328 square meter lot with a price of 15,267,291.30. Again, 15,267,291.30. So it's VAT inclusive, so it's around 44 to 45,000 pesos per square meter versus our updated pricing dito sa mga lot area or sa mga available lots dito sa buong community ni Santa Rosa na nasa around 50,000 pesos and above na. Again, below market value. So I will discuss the computation. So including the other charges, miscellaneous expenses, ang buong babayaran nyo, no, is 15,879,814.72 centavos. So you have an 18 months down payment, no, na nasa 82,040 pesos and 51 centavos lang. So for example, today is October 2 here in the Philippines. Pag nag-reserve kayo ng 50,000 pesos, the following month, November 2, and December 2 hanggang ma-reach nyo yung 18th month na down payment, you will just be paying 82,000 pesos, 40 pesos and 51 centavos. And then after that 18 months to pay down payment, yung balance nyo na nasa 13.7 plus the miscellaneous fee of 600,000 pesos, you can loan it through bank. But the strategy, if you want to pay in excess of your 82,000 pesos anytime and any amount you can, pwedeng-pwede para bumaba pa yung ilo-loan nyo sa future, or baka nga after down payment, pwede nyo na i-cash. Again, that's 0% interest sa down payment, at kapag na-cash nyo pa at hindi nyo i-loan sa bank, bumili kayo ng property without paying any interest. Napakadaming advantage, below market value, stretch down payment term, located sa main road, located dito sa Clubhouse. Tara, puntahan natin yung Clubhouse. Alam niyo ba, this is my favorite clubhouses, no? One of my favorite clubhouses sa mga communities na ino-offer ko dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So it's a 1 hectare development by Leandro Locsin firm. So yung gumawa ng PICC, kaya medyo nakita nyo, no? Modern Asian talaga yung theme. And this infinity pool, so infinity pool po ba yung tawag dito, no? So ang nagustuhan ko lang kay Solen kasi 60% of the community are dedicated for open spaces, and at the same time, napakarami niyang mga green spaces. Yung view corridor pa nga lang kanina, right? Sobrang spacious na siya. Kaya ang swerte talaga na makaka-acquire ng below market value na lote na yon. And at the same time, ito, hindi na talaga yan gagalawin. No? For open spaces na talaga siya. So I hope na tour ko kayo dito sa Solen Residences. If you want to check po no, yung ibang video pa about Solen Residences, marami po tayong feature dito sa The Property Geek YouTube channel. Just type Solen Residences space The Property Geek at lalabas po lahat yan. So, I hope po no, na kayong nanonood dito, matake niyo yung opportunity at tayo po ang makakuha ng lote na yon na perfect for retirement home. So if you have inquiries, if you are interested at meron pa kayong gustong i-clarify, please feel free to message or contact me through my local number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That's +63927 185 1590. My business email, that's thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. And we are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and mag-comment naman kayo ng feedback nyo sa video na to dito sa ating YouTube channel. We're still in the Facebook page, The Property Geek, and if you want to directly message me, my personal Facebook account, that's Jaire Valeria Mamaklay. Maraming salamat po. Filipinos worldwide, US, Canada, Australia, Germany, and in other parts of the world na lagi po kayong sumusuporta po sa akin as a breadwinner of the family. Sobrang nararamdaman ko po yung suporta nyo sa akin. Kapag nakikipag-usap po kayo sa akin na I don't feel like I'm talking to a client but I'm talking to a long-lost family member. So this is Jaire Mamaklay again, your property geek, always inviting you to the beautiful sunny islands of the Philippines.